Italy is certainly one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Its culture, natural beauties, landscapes and history make it one of the most sought-after destinations for those who want to have a truly varied experience. Crossing its cities means taking a journey through the history of humanity. The city of Rome is a stunning mix of ancient and modern history, architecture, and culture. It has been a major cultural center since its founding in the 8th century BC, and its influence can be seen around the world today. Rome is home to some of the world's most iconic attractions such as the Colosseum and the Pantheon, two of the most recognizable landmarks in all of Italy. The city also boasts a wealth of incredible art of all periods, from the Renaissance masterpieces to the more contemporary works of modern and street art. With its combination of art, culture, and history, Rome is a truly unique and captivating city. Florence is a city of art and history, known for its Renaissance masterpieces and its unique artistic heritage. The city was an important center of the Italian Renaissance, and its influence can be seen in the works of painters, sculptors, and architects such as Michelangelo, Donatello, and Brunelleschi. Venice is known for its distinctive canals and its extraordinary architectural beauty. The city was a major maritime power in the 16th century and has been an important center of trade, art, and culture ever since. The city is home to some of the world's most iconic attractions, such as the Grand Canal, St. Mark's Basilica, and Rialto Bridge, all of which have been standing for centuries. In addition to its stunning architecture, Venice is also known for its incredible art. Venetian Renaissance masterpieces can be found in the city's many galleries, and its unique culture has inspired modern-day artists such as Peggy Guggenheim and Damien Hirst. The city also played a significant role in the development of music and literature. But that's not all. In every region, in every city, in every country you can find enchanting places that tell the past, the traditions and the history of a nation that never ceases to amaze with its beauty. And where there is no man's hand, nature surpasses itself, between mountains and sea that leave you breathless. Italy is also renowned for its delicious food culture, with unique dishes, flavors and ingredients that reflect the country's rich history and culture. Italian cuisine varies significantly by region, with each area having its own unique recipes and specialties. Popular Italian dishes include pasta, pizza, risotto, and gelato, as well as a variety of seafood, meats, and cheeses. Italian food culture is also heavily influenced by fresh ingredients, with dishes often served with fresh, seasonal produce. The country also has a vibrant wine culture, with some of the world's most renowned wines being produced in the region.